That's one of our key areas where we want to support Kenya because we believe this is of utmost importance. Everyone witnesses day by day the problems in transport, in traffic in Nairobi city. People get stuck for hours in traffic, they cannot move, the air is polluted, and those who are most vulnerable, which is the pedestrians, and the pedestrians are the majority of Nairobians, they suffer most. If you look at the statistics by the NTSA, it is the pedestrians who are most the victims of accidents. So today's event wanted to raise awareness, together with our Kenyan partners, together with Kura, together with political representatives such as Mrs. Pasaris, to demonstrate that this is an important topic. It's an important topic that people can move safely, that congestion is eased, and that this requires the working together of various modes of transport, not just roads. We need roads. An important part of our support is building roads, but it should not be about roads and cars only. It should be about roads, pedestrian lanes, cycle lanes,